Good morning, everyone. My name is Sujita Bhoya, and today I'm here to give seminar on circulatory system. So, everybody know about circulatory system? What circulatory system means circulation of blood in our body. As you can see in diagram, there are many organs like lungs, heart, body organs like many. And so, first, anyone can tell me the four chambers of heart? Right ventricle, left ventricle. Good. So, as Payal said that there are four chambers like right atrium, right ventricle, and left ventricle. So, we'll start the circulation of blood through right atrium. The right atrium, the blood flows from right atrium to right ventricle. Then the heart pumps the blood to the pulmonary artery, which carries deoxygenated blood, and then pulmonary artery moves to the lungs where the purification of oxygen takes place. So the here the carbon dioxide is out and oxygen is purified here, so the blood become oxygenated blood, and the lungs transport the blood to the pulmonary vein which carry oxygenated blood, and then the blood is transported again to the heart to the left atrium. Then it flows to the opening, from the opening to the left ventricle, and the heart again pumps, and the blood moves to the artery which is also known as aorta, is carry oxygenated blood, and then again goes to body parts. So here from aorta the blood is transported to all parts of body, and from here the blood is transported to the main vein which is called vena cava, and which carries deoxygenated blood. Here, the in body organs, the oxygen is absorbed by the cell, and carbon dioxide is absorbed by the blood vessel called vena cava. And then blood again goes to the heart, which heart the part right atrium. As you can see that the blood moves to our heart twice. So this circulation is known as a double circulation, and this process goes all throughout the life, and this is the circulatory system. Thank you.